Now, we will be starting with nested list. As you are able to see over here, we are having number 1 chocolates, and then we are having square type, that is unordered list. Again number 2 disk, number 3 circle. So what does nested means to you? Nested means it is a combination of unordered and ordered list. We all are aware, whenever I'm talking about numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, it is called as ordered, and when I'm talking about square, disk and circle, it is unordered list. So I will be preparing the same code onto the Google site. Just for your reference, I have just given the code over here. Now what I will be doing, I will be typing the same code again. So where you have to go in insert tab. In insert tab you have to go in embed, and in embed you require to go for the embed code. The first tag, we all are aware, it is HTML. After HTML it is head. After head it is title. Title is nothing but the name of the web page. So I'm typing nested list, and I'll be closing the title. Then I'll be closing the head, and I'll be starting with the body part. Now in the body part, first I'm typing H1. Moving back, H1 is nested list. So I'm typing over here nested list. In nested list, sorry, I require to close H1. Yes, I'm closing H1 over here now. Now OL, we all are aware, OL stands for ordered list. I'm not giving any of the attribute called as type, because by default it will be number type. Now what is the first thing over here? LI. LI stands for list. First I'm giving chocolate. 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 Now under this particular part I will be giving UL. UL stands for unordered list. I'm giving type as square, and I will be giving the list again. So the first it is dairy milk. The second LI. LI is an tag which do not require the closing tag. Such type of tags are called as empty tags. The empty tags are the tags which do not require any closing part. Then I'm just giving any of the chocolate. Same, I'm giving 5-star or dairy milk. Yes, I'll be giving Cadbury then. Then LI. The last is munch. I will be giving munch over here. Then closing the UL part, that is unordered list, I'm closing the ordered list. I'll see whether the output that I have shown you on the screen will be coming or not. In order to get the output, we're required to close the body part, we're required to close the HTML part. So I'm closing both the tags, and then I'll be seeing the output. Just I'm clicking on next. Yes, you are able to see chocolate, dairy milk, Cadbury and munch. Chocolate, dairy milk, Cadbury and munch. So instead of Bonville, I've just typed Cadbury, but the output is same. Now what I require games. Under games it will be cricket, hockey and football. So what I'm doing, kids please pay attention over here what I will be doing. See, I'll be just going over here from OL. From OL I'll be just copy the code till OL closes. Now OL, here I require to give type equal to what, kids? Numbers, because we require ordered list in the form of numbers, and I'll be giving start equal to 2. So it will start from 2. Now what I require over here, LI, it is games. So I'm, instead of chocolate, now I will be giving games. In games, what I require, I'll be giving disc over here, cricket, hockey and football. Cricket, sorry, first is cricket, second it is hockey, and third it is football. Closing the UL, closing the OL. UL stands for ordered, OL stands for unordered. Yes, see, I have got the same output. 1. Dairy Milk, Bonville, Munch. 2. Cricket, hockey and football. Now third, apple, oranges and grapes. So what I will be doing, you all are aware what I have done. I have already copied the code. So I'll be just pasting the code again. I'll be just pasting the code again. I'll be using this particular part now. And after copying, I'm pasting it over here. OL. Now this will be number 3. And LI, it is what, bacha? It is fruits. In fruits, I require to give a circle. In circle, apple, orange and grapes. So first it will be apple. Second it will be orange. And third it will be grapes. OL, UL close, OL close, body tag close, HTML close. Am I able to get the same output, kids? Please see over here. Yes, I am able to get the same output. What I am doing, I am just clicking on the insert button. And I'll be seeing whether I am able to get the same output. Yes, you are able to get the same output. Nested list, chocolate, second is games and third is fruits. Chocolate, games and fruits, square, disc and circle. If you want to place it somewhere near, just place it over there. And if you want, just reduce the size of it so that one more code can be putted onto the left hand side or onto the right hand side. Just drag it to the next HTML code. So yes, this is an example of nested list. We have typed it and we have embedded on the HTML or on the Google sites.